Hi guys, welcome. So I'll be showing you how to withdraw your money when you've done target savings on Piggyvest. This is pretty straightforward, but you can worry too much about it and just mess the process up. So this is my Piggyvest account. When I go to target savings, you can see here that I started this target savings with my friends earlier this year, and it's at 100% now. If I click on it, let me expand real quick. You can see there is now a withdrawal option here. Why is that? Because today is the 16th of December. It means from today, anybody who joined this savings group can actually withdraw their money. Again, if you don't know what target saving is, it's a feature within Piggyvest that lets you, save with friends or a group of people. They don't have to be your friends. They don't have access to your money. As you can see, I started this target savings, this one, but I don't have access to anybody's money. I only have access to my money. Even if I remove a member, which I can't even do, but even if you remove a member, they'll be removed with their money. Do you understand? So every member who is in this target savings has autonomous access to their money. They can choose to walk away anytime. They can keep saving and all of that. I only have access to mine. Now, I'm sure you must have seen this one, this buy a house in 2027. This was a test that I did earlier today when I was teaching a class. I made a full video about Piggyvest, how it works. I basically made a video about every feature. It's a very long video. If you want to check it out, I think you should go on my YouTube channel. You will find that video. But let's get back to the class. So this is target savings, and what we want to do is withdraw our money from target savings. To do that, I will just go ahead and click on withdraw. Now, it says you made it to the withdrawal date. Tell us something nice. I don't have anything to say to Piggyvest, so I'm just going to leave the thank you there and click on withdraw cash. Ideally, what you should withdraw is the 600k you see there plus the interest on top of it. So it's doing that now. It's loading. So it just kept spinning and spinning and spinning. I'm not sure why, so I'm just going to go back, then come back in. Now it says funds withdrawn from the investing firm successfully, and boom, I just withdrew my funds. So again, what I was saying earlier is I basically withdrew the 600k plus the interest that I've accumulated over time. Now the rest of my people who joined me to do this target savings, they can also follow the same process to withdraw their money. I cannot withdraw it for them. If you're one of those people and you're wondering where does the money go once you've made a withdrawal, let me show you where the money goes. You go back home. When you're home, you come all the way to Flex Naira. This is actually where the money will go. See, the money is here. The 600k plus the 40 something k interest, they're all here. So in your Flex Naira, you can see the logs here, the money, the interest. And now if I want to use this money for anything within Piggyvest, I will just leave it here. I don't need to withdraw it. But if I want to just withdraw it to my bank account ASAP, you click on withdraw, and then the withdrawal option will pop up. You see an option to withdraw to Pocket app or to your bank account. I have a GT bank account here, and this is the amount here. It says 647. Basically I want to withdraw everything. So if I want to do that, I'll go ahead and withdraw it. Your withdrawal of blah 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 was successful. Your request has been processed successfully. So that's it. So now I have withdrawn from my target savings. I don't have anything here anymore. Where did the target savings go completed. If you see here in completed, you see this is the target savings, but again it's completed. Flex Naira, there's nothing there anymore because I just made a withdrawal. So the withdrawal is now en route to my bank account. So that is how to withdraw your money from target savings. The money you see up here is basically from the other places that I have money in, like the Flex Dollar and and the rest. So that's it. That's how to withdraw your money from Piggyvest. If you want to do another target savings with friends, with family, just come here and you can see the alert just came in that money was sent to me, as you can see. But yeah, if you want to do another target savings, you can click on this plus icon to create your own. You can do a target savings with your family members. You can do a public one for other people to join. You can create a private one, for maybe people in your circle or people in your group and all of that. So that is basically how it works. If you want to see how this whole target savings thing works, how to set it up, again, I made a video about Piggyvest, how to use all the features. I did a proper breakdown of the target savings option and how it works. You can follow the process there. I hope this helps.